Hi, handsome.
Hello, everybody. Guess what we're doing today? We're doing egg rolls, Italian style. Egg rolls wrapped up in whatever you have. So this is what we have. We have broccoli rabe that was just blanched. We had some leftover sausage. We just chopped it up really nice and fine. We have some steak and peppers. We didn't chop these up yet. And some of Madeline's Drunken chicken, which is delicious. We have shredded mozzarella. We have grated Parmigiano Reggiano and shredded Romano cheese and shredded Romano cheese.
No.
Parmigiano.
Parmesan.
I did say it right. Grated Parmigiano and shredded Parmigiano. And then we have egg roll wrappers. Look at that. You buy them at the supermarket. We got this brand, but you can get any brand you want. I opened it up. Look at that, like sheets of paper. So we're going to come right back with chopping up the chicken and the steak peppers. We'll see you in a little bit. All right, so we have some of Madeline's leftover Drunken chicken. See, it's going to come in handy. We're just going to chop it up in like really small pieces. We even have some sauce. And we're going to do the same thing with the leftover pepper steak. We even have some sauce left over. So when we're done chopping all this stuff with our handy Cutco knife, these are not, and I didn't cut this. I bit my nails watching the Giants Thursday night, and I got stuck. I did not cut my finger. I could show you underneath the nail.
He bit his nail too short.
Watching the football game, they aggravate me. But we'll be back after we chop everything up.
Hey, honey.
Okay, so here we go. We got our wrapper like a diamond here. We're gonna put our broccoli rabe over here. All right, I still a little bit back. Then I put a little salsiccia on here, right, Matt? Is that what you call it?
Salsiccia.
I'm gonna put a little parmigiano, a little shredded, a little grated, and a mozzarella. We're gonna get that nice pull right there. Then I'm gonna fold this, tuck it. Then I'm gonna wrap it. And you get your wet finger or brush. I use my finger. And just wrap that puppy up.
Roly, roly.
Roly-poly.
Beautiful.
Bellissimo. We'll be back with more fillings. What are you doing now, baby doll?
Okay, honey, I'm going to start frying for you.
Start frying.
Sizzle whizzle. Sizzle whizzle. You hear that sizzling? Yeah, honey.
I'm getting better with the wrapping, too.
You're great.
And you're beautiful.
Aw. And we love to eat.
How you doing?
How you doing? All right, look at those. Okay, so I just flipped them. We let them cook for 2 minutes, and now they're cooking on the other side for another 2 minutes, and then we're done. Okay, so these are already done. We fried them for 2 minutes on each side, because everything that's on the inside is already cooked. We're basically just frying the outside.
How does it look, babe?
They look wonderful.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
You got more. I'm ready for the next batch.
Oh, I got it already going, babe.
All right. We'll be back.
All right, so we just finished all the broccoli rabe and sausage. Madeline's still frying, so now we're doing the pepper steak ones. About the same amount of filling. Like I said, I start a little bit towards the back so that when you wrap up, it all comes out nice and neat. And listen, if you screw up the first time, who cares? You just do it again and again and again. That's all. Put a little bit extra cheese on here, I love it. So okay, take it, wrap it, tuck it, fold this side, fold that side. I start wrapping, wet it here. With what? With water. And there you're done. Package of love, baby.
Okay.
All right, so now we're going to do the Drunken chicken. You're going to see the recipe that Madeline made. Not sure how we're posting these things, but we got everybody helping. Everybody's trying today. A little bit of the cheese. Listen, guys, you can use any cheese you want. We use the mozzarella, and we like the shredded and the grated Parmesan. And the same thing, guys. Just tuck it, bend it, wet it, and fold it up. And there you are. Eat your heart out, Chinese restaurants.
Package of love.
This is Italian egg rolls.
You want to know what I know you're very happy about right now?
What?
The grease on your stove.
Yeah, this is going to be, I'm going to do all my frying at the new house when the yard kitchen is ready.
This is definitely not for the faint-hearted.
And now we just threw in the chicken parm ones. Drunken chicken parm.
Which is made with what?
With love.
No, vodka sauce.
Oh, yeah, with vodka
That
sauce.
too.
Listen, it's all about love.
All right, guys, here we go. This is the first one. Oh, you hear that nice crunch? Let's see what we have. Surprise. Which one is this?
Drunken chicken.
Drunken chicken. Here you go.
Give it a taste.
Here we go. Something.
Oh my God.
Delicious.
So crunchy. Oh my God. Let's cut the next one.
See what we have here. Oh, this is gooey. This gotta be the steak. Oh yeah. This is gonna be my favorite. Salute one more time.
Salute.
Shots.
Oh yeah. With the cheesesteak.
So I said it has like the
Oh my
cheesesteak.
God. Cheesesteak egg roll.
And now, broccoli rabe and salsiccia. Look at that.
Let me see.
Salute. Look at that.
Well, look at cheese.
Delicious.
Don't ask me which is my favorite.
Which one was your favorite? Which one was your favorite though?
Pepper steak.
Drunken chicken. But I like that one. I like them all.
That's a problem. We like them all.
We like them
We
all.
love you guys.